The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Bitcoin, my dear, has never been in a more bullish market. XRP Ripple, already one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, is about to achieve a major milestone. Coinbase is now aggressively pursuing the XRP pump and has stepped in to provide support. Also implicated in this case is the CEO of Ripple, who was not oblivious to such an occurrence. This is too important for you to ignore. Let us skip the small talk and get to the meat of the matter. Important notice. The ongoing legal battle between Coinbase and the Securities and Exchange Commission has drawn notable XRP Ripple advocate John Deaton into the fray, with the goal of representing 4,701 Coinbase users. A larger movement toward regulatory clarity surrounding digital assets like XRP is signaled by his action, which is noteworthy in and of itself. While speaking with Fox News reporter Eleanor Turat, Deaton stressed the importance of the SEC providing regulatory direction for the digital asset industry. The absence of information, he said, is a big problem for investors and business participants alike. For a long time, many in the Bitcoin community have wished for regulatory clarity, and this feeling reflects their frustrations. As the court battle rages on, Coinbase's strategic moves have drawn more and more attention as they mirror the SEC's strategy in the Ripple case. Coinbase is trying to get a leg up by capitalizing on previous court decisions. According to Deaton, this strategy aims to contain the SEC, which could impact the court's ruling and lead to more explicit crypto legislation. Even if the verdict in the case is still up in the air, prudent optimism persists, according to Deaton. He is aware of how serious things are, especially for those whose money is at risk. On the other hand, he thinks there's a decent shot that Coinbase's motion would be approved, which might affect the cryptocurrency market significantly. In the thick of things with the law. While some, including as Senator Elizabeth Warren and Peter Schiff, have criticized Bitcoin for its inherent worth, Deaton has vehemently defended it. In his behalf, as a decentralized economy with a finite supply, Bitcoin challenges traditional ideas of what makes an asset valuable. Insights highlight the larger necessity for regulatory clarification in the cryptocurrency field, going beyond the particulars of the Coinbase versus SEC issue. He maintains that people ought to be able to own and exchange digital assets as they like, free from government meddling. This view highlights the significance of regulators and industry stakeholders maintaining an open line of communication and working together. What happens in the court case could have far-reaching consequences for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole and for XRP Ripple in particular. If the regulatory climate improves after a positive decision for Coinbase, more people may be willing to use and invest in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Negative results, on the other hand, could throw doubt on the industry as a whole, which would reduce investor confidence and slow down market expansion. The stakes are clearly high as the legal struggle between Coinbase and the SEC continues. What this means for the cryptocurrency industry might be huge. The question is, what do XRP industry insiders think? Does this event hold any potential for growth for them? Furthermore, what exact height are they referring to if indeed they do? Ripple's XRP price has never been higher, if you can believe it. Miss it you will. As the world of cryptocurrencies continues to change, the Ripple cryptocurrency, XRP, has recently become the subject of much interest and speculation. Regardless of the recent struggles in the market, the future of XRP is being predicted by prominent analysts. That is absolutely shocking. The groundwork has been laid for a staggering advance, with one expert going by the name of E. Greg predicting a possible rally of 1,000% to 3,000%. Despite XRP's latest drop to 43 cents, an intriguing window into the possible future of XRP is shown by Greg's observations. A wave of volatility may be unleashed if XRP fell below 44 cents, according to the Door of Valhalla scenario that was highlighted earlier this month by Greg. This forecast came true last week, setting the stage for Greg's optimistic view today. Now Greg's predictions reach new heights, with a minimum increase of 1,000%, which might push XRP above $5 soon. It is the upper limit of IE, however, that is truly astonishing. If Greg's prediction comes true, XRP may skyrocket above $15. Everyone, not just EEG Greg, is positive on the long term. According to analysts like Dark Defender, XRP's recent price action is reminiscent of the massive changes in the cryptocurrency market in 2017. Some predictions, like Javon Marks's 61,000% surge to $288, are ambitious, while charts show a possible short-term move to $5.80. Everyone seems to be really enthusiastic about XRP right now, but why is everyone so hopeful? Unlock tremendous value for XRP with a false favorable settlement to the ongoing court dispute between Ripple and the SEC. Institutional adoption and investor confidence could see a boost with more clear regulations, particularly in large markets. Additionally, XRP's practical use for international money transfers, as seen by collaborations with banks like Tranquillo, demonstrates its practicality and scalability. Demand for XRP might surge if it keeps showing its worth in enabling cheap and efficient transactions, which would be great for its price potential. There is a natural desire for additional information about the unfolding story of cryptocurrencies as the world is abuzz with predictions of exponential growth. Whenever such audacious forecasts surface, more information is required, and we would love to hear updates directly from the company's leadership. And you know what? This is only the beginning of the thrill. Prepare to be astounded by the remarks made by the CEO of Ripple, who has stepped into the limelight to express his views on the present situation. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently took center stage in an appearance with Fox Business Mornings with Maria to discuss the present and future of the cryptocurrency market. As the cryptocurrency market continued its meteoric rise, Garlinghouse's statements offered insight into Ripple's long-term goals and his thoughts on the regulatory hurdles the sector faces. The conversation began with Garlinghouse mentioning the incredible increase in cryptocurrency valuations in the last 6 months, specifically mentioning the 2,500% parabolic climb of Bitcoin. He said that important market events, such the SEC's approval of 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs, were to blame for the current uptrend. Even more astonishing, though, was Garlinghouse's prediction for the future following the recent Bitcoin halving event. His prediction was that by the end of 2024, the cryptocurrency market would have quadrupled in size, reaching an incredible price of $5 trillion. He has faith in the market dynamics driven by supply and demand, which is reflected in this projection. Despite this upbeat prediction, Garlinghouse did not sugarcoat the industry's regulatory challenges, especially in the US. Garlinghouse questioned the narrative of cryptocurrency's association with illegal activities, highlighting its potential for innovation and economic growth, and voiced concerns about what he sees as a hostile attitude towards crypto from regulators. He notably criticized the SEC under Gary Gensler's leadership, bringing focus to the varied regulatory environments worldwide. According to Garlinghouse, the European Union, the United Kingdom, Singapore, and Dubai are leading the pack in creating crypto-friendly policies. Because of this regulatory gap, investors and entrepreneurs are fleeing the United States in search of countries with friendlier policies. Garlinghouse revealed plans for Ripple's entry into the stablecoin market, with the launch of $1-backed stablecoin later this year, turning the attention onto Ripple's strategic initiatives. Ripple's dedication to connecting the worlds of conventional banking and the rapidly expanding cryptocurrency market is highlighted by this decision. Noting that 95% of Ripple's customers are located outside the US, Garlinghouse highlighted the company's global footprint. He thinks this global footprint is a huge chance for Ripple and its cryptocurrency XRP to become successful. That opportunity is enormous in our opinion. As a company that uses the digital asset Ripple, XRP, we believe that will be fantastic for Ripple. The video ends there. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Coming up shortly, farewell.